drink right here by Mountain Dew. This is the Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. Kind of look like the peaches and cream, but it's different. It's what it look like. The color on top right there. It's kind of like a goldish orange color. On a scale of 1 through 5, I give it about a 5 out of 5. Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. I don't know how long it's been out, man. It's come from Taco Bell, but it's a pretty good drink, man. So if y'all ever in there, y'all give it a try. The Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning soda, and it is pretty good, man. I just want to give y'all a quick video on it, cause I never really heard nobody talk about it. I don't know how long it's been out or nothing. So yeah, y'all heard of it? Comment below. The Mountain Dew Sweet Lightning. It's a really good soda. Like I said, I give it a 5 out of a 5. And till next time, man, I'm gonna hit you guys on the next video. This thing is really, really good. Alright, and your boy is out of here. Peace, peace, peace.